My daughter Ruka always had a special way with animals. Our little village is full of them, and she loved every single one. I saw her bundled in a red suit, laughing as the neighbor's puppy played with her. At sunset, she would become a tiny fairy with wings, carefully herding a flock of yellow ducklings. She also loved helping her grandparents gather firewood, carrying her own little bundle of sticks. More than anything, I knew she really wanted a puppy of her own. One day, I saw her find some village puppies and run laughing down the road with them.
But I wasn't ready to have a puppy yet, so I just smiled at her.
But my Ruka, she didn't give up. A few days later, she tried again. This time, I saw her carrying a sweet golden retriever puppy in her arms. Her smile was just so bright, so happy. Seeing that joy, my heart just melted. So I finally said yes. My Ruka finally had her own puppy, and she named him Furball. They were instantly inseparable, the best of friends. They did everything together, even brushing their teeth side by side. They played dress up in matching polka dot outfits. He was always right there with her, her little shadow. Our home was so full of joy. But our new life together took a sad turn. Our little furball, he suddenly became very sick. He refused to eat. So we rushed him straight to the vet. At the vet's, he immediately got a checkup. The doctor gave us some very difficult news. It was a heartbreaking moment for us. I felt completely hopeless. So I promised him, I'm not leaving, I'll wait for you.
We told the vet we were not giving up on him, not yet.
He stayed in intensive care, and honestly, we just prayed for a miracle. And then we got the call we had been waiting for. Miraculously, Furball had started eating. He was strong enough to come home. It was the best day ever. We were so happy.
We rushed over to bring him back under our care.
He still needed daily medicine, so Ruka became his little nurse. She sat by his side for hours until he became better. Soon after that, he was playing again. My Ruka's joyful laughter filled our house again. Her best friend was back. The two of them had been through so much, and now their bond is stronger than ever. He even helped her with chores. It was the cutest thing.
He carried vegetables from the garden and helped bring in the firewood.
He grew up into this big, beautiful dog, always by her side.
And he became her loyal protector.
One day, I had to scold Ruka, and she sat on the floor, just crying her eyes out. Furball came right over to her. He put his big paws around her, rested his head on her, just hugging her until she stopped. It was like he remembered how she had taken care of him, and now it was his turn to take care of her. Seeing their incredible bond, we knew our family still had more love to give. Just like that first day, she carried 3 little puppies in her arms. I watched as she ran with that same bright smile. Furball now had a little brother, and Ruka had 2 loyal shadows on every single adventure. Our home is now complete.